Hey guys, got a couple Yeti coolers, and we have one of them that needs to be repaired. The little lock came off. Got a pack of replacement handles, got two of them, to replace this broken latch on the Yeti cooler. Okay, get the screwdriver, pry it in, starts pulling out, it's a little compression fitting. Just keep pushing, pulling. Okay, little rod came out, handle fell off, that one's broken. We got two to a pack, one spare, and it's going to go up like this. So we're just going to push that rod. I'm just going to push this rod in here. There we go. And latch repaired. Easy repair.